gonna come to me, and here you are. But you better choose carefully, 'cause I'm capable of anything, and everything. Make me your Aphrodite, make me your one and only. But don't make me your enemy, your enemy, your enemy. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm, perfect storm? 'Cause once you're mine, there's no going back. Mark my words, this love will make you levitate like a bird without a cage, but down to earth. If you choose to walk away, don't walk away. It's in the palm of your hand now, baby. It's a yes or a no, no, maybe. So just be sure before you give it up to me, up to me. Give it up to me. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm, perfect storm? 'Cause once you're mine, there's no going back. She's a beast, I call her karma. She eats your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer. Be careful, try not to lead her on. Shorty's heart was on steroids, 'cause her love is so strong. You may fall in love and you meet her, you get the chance, you better keep her. She swears by it, but if you break her heart, she'll turn cold as a freezer. That fairy tale ending with the knight in shining armor. She can be my sleeping beauty, I'ma put her in a coma. Damn, I think I love her, shorty's so bad, I'm sprung and I don't care. She got me like a roller coaster, turn a bedroom into a fair. Her love is like a drug, I was trying to hit it and quit it, but little mama's so dope, I messed around and got it.